Today with me in the studio is the Honor 8X Android smartphone at a price capped below 100k. But what is so special about this phone? Let's get into it. Opening the box, we have the protective cover box at first, then the device itself, the charging cable and adapter, and an earpiece. What phone comes with an earpiece in this time and day? That's by the way. All we have in the box seems like pretty much everything you need for your daily phone setup. Let's talk about the phone design, the part I love the most. For someone like me, I feed the eyes before the soul. So, this is a solid pass for an eye test, a very sleek and slim design for the Honor 8X. Now, let's power it on for a sole review. The display quality is great on a face value. Beyond the budget range display quality, let's dig deep a bit about the phone and its specifications. It runs on Android 9, that is pretty old but manageable for its budget. Runs on a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Every other thing seems okay. The most surprising part of this device is the camera. I couldn't believe my eyes after taking pictures with both the back and selfie camera. They both look pink. It was actually competing with my iPhone. No jokes. What do you think about the picture quality? Lastly, the game and sound test. The game test is to see whether it will lag, and the sound test is to perfect the quality of this Android phone. If you want to get this phone below 100k, visit store.billardcreative.com to get yours today. Let's finish off the game test as we call it a buy.
Great dribbling. Won the ball. Throwing taken short. A clean, swift tackle. Wins the ball. And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Do remember to subscribe and comment below. What do you think about this phone? I would love to see your comments in the comment section. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.